How to name alkenes fast. The first thing you do if you're given this compound to name is to identify your longest continuous chain. And when you count from the side that is closest to your double bond. So if I'm to count, I'm starting from my left. This is going to be carbon 1, carbon 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to go up. This is 6, down, 6 and 7. So the longest continuous carbon chain would be this one that goes down. Okay, this will be my longest continuous carbon chain. You're going to ignore these other ones. Now, once we've identified the longest continuous carbon chain, all the other atoms aside from hydrogen attached to this parent chain, which is the longest continuous carbon chain, will be the substituent. So this iodine, chlorine, CH3s are the substituents. Okay, now let's name our substituents. As a substituent, iodine is known as iodo. Chlorine is known as chloro. CH3 is called methyl group. And you have 2 of them. Now the next step is to put all of them together. We name the substituents first, arranging them alphabetically, which means the chloro is going to come first. The position of the chlorine is on carbon 2. So start with 2-chloro. Then move on to iodine. You have 1 iodo. Okay. Next, we have the methyl groups. Since you have 2 of them, you're going to use a prefix to group them, which will be dimethyl, di for 2. But remember, you must mention the position. So they are both attached to carbon 5. So that will be 5,5 dimethyl. Okay? And then the last part, the longest continuous chain, which is 7. The prefix for 7 carbons is hept. And since this is a double bond, you're going to mention the position of the double bond, the lower number, okay? 3, not the 4. So that will be hept 3. And since this is an alkene, alkenes will end with ENE. So that's what you put here. So the name of this compound will be 2-chloro, 1-iodo, 5,5-dimethyl, hept 3-ene.